Good morning, it's Monday. I lost another pound, y'all. Okay, so we are going to start with everything but my lemon ginger because of course I did not have time to juice again. I know the excuses, right? It's totally slacking. I just feel like I'm just going. Going. I'm always going. Makes it so hard to open. All right, new super greens, new apple ciders.
The mom will be fine, and then they die.
My kid is watching Frozen. 2 apple ciders, 2 super greens. Stuck together. These are empty. We have our multi energy. We are gonna go ahead and take 2 of these. I'm really feeling this weekend, this morning. My body is bad.
Mom, why did they want it else on Rana?
Willow just jumped into the window. Alright, so now we're going to do the Irish sea moss. I'm gonna take 2 of them. Take 1 fat burner now and then another one later. I love this fat burner. Chocolate shake. 2 shots of espresso. We're doing 2. Yes, puppy. Discharged. Wonderful. I got my sweet cream yesterday. Be back. I'm gonna add that into here. And then we're gonna add some ice. It's connecting. And I got huge to-do list today, so I'm gonna start doing that right now while the kids are chilling out for a minute. We just played Barbie campsite for like an hour, so I'm gonna go get some work done. So see you when it's time to eat again. Okay, so we have all this fruit left over from the party. So I'm gonna make me a bowl of fruit to snack on and a cup of tea while I work. I'm actually going to make my tea to go because my daughter left her makeup bag at my brother's house and I have to go get that. And then I have to go pick up Brooklyn's number 5 balloon for her actual birthday, which is tomorrow. Y'all know I'm extra with my kids. She had her birthday party, but now she has to have her little photo shoot, and then our family always takes them to wherever they want to eat for their actual birthday. So that's just what we do. So I gotta go. So this is my bowl of fruit, and this is my tea. I'm gonna snack on this while I get them ready, and I'm gonna drink that while I go. Zombies? That's a cool party theme.
I'm about to text that.
Look, they have zombies, y'all.
Cocomelon.
Right there, a whole zombie party.
Barbie.
Wow. Moana. Ooh. Wow. Say cheese. Say cheese. Happy birthday. His voice is so cute. He's so beautiful. Alright, so I am eating, can you see this? I'm eating pancit again with a piece of chicken. What's wrong? Rice noodles with vegetables and shredded chicken. And then I have another little piece of chicken here that has pesto and a little bit of mozzarella on it. All leftovers from the party, so. Pancit and chicken and veggies. Yeah, boy. It's my meal for the day. And a Diet Coke. I like Diet Coke, y'all. That's my kid's pinata candy. Cha. So on my husband's way home, I kept telling him how tired I was and that the tea wasn't working and I was just so sleepy. So he brought me home one of these. He's so awesome. Sometimes the tea is just not enough, so I just need a top off, and this is gonna top me off since we don't got no more pre-workout left right now. So I gotta make another order. But I'm gonna drink this and we're gonna head out to the gym. We just finished working out and we feel like we're about to pass out, so we have some protein pasta, and I have 2 pieces of chicken. My husband has 3. They're really not that big. It's from the leftovers from the party, of course. So it's pasta, and then I put a little bit of honey mustard on top and warmed it up. And I didn't put a lot of pasta on my plate. He got more. That's what I'm eating. No, I just know he's gonna come for seconds if I don't get him. Alright, just finished eating. I'm gonna take a fat burner and start cleaning up the house while my husband gives these kids a quick bath.
It looks like honey.
Fell off. You have to put it in the video. You have to. Let me put it. I don't know, just test it out. It's better than last one. Yeah. My daughters, it's 12:30 in the morning. My daughters and I just finished decorating for Brooklyn because obviously she just turned 5 and we wanted her to wake up. Surprise. Yes, I'm sitting on my kitchen counter because one of the balloons fell and I had to put it back right before I started recording. So, like I was saying, 12:30 in the morning. And I'm going to do my nightly stuff real quick and then go to bed. Because I know she's going to be up extremely early. I'm going to take 2 combs. cat keeps trying to pull these down. And it just took us an hour and a half to hang them on it. Alright guys, that's it for today. The 100 days are almost up. I can't believe I actually vlogged all these days. I'm so proud of myself. Alright, I'm going to bed. See you guys on the next video.